if I had any advice for you as a indie designer, I would say do as much as you can do, right? Like, don't always be looking to pay somebody to do something for you. If you can cut your costs there, you will be able to pay somebody going forward. But if you saved $100, because instead of, like today, I'm going to set up my trunk show, and I could pay my assistant to go down there and do it for me. But listen, I need to connect with the owner of this beautiful boutique I'm in. I need to connect with her. I want to connect with her before the show. I want to see which pieces she wants. I want to help her understand the pieces. Not that my assistant can't do this, but there's certain things that I think it's really important that if you want to be successful, you need to be there. You need to be the one speaking. You need to be on your game. So don't always be looking for who can help you all the time. I have help. I have help in my boutique in Laguna. I have plenty of sewing help at this point, which I'm really happy about. And I have a great contractor that's helping me put everything together. But like something when it comes to sales and the collection, it's really important that you're the face and bring the person with you. But remember, that $100, what if you don't have a great trunk show? I mean, that happens, you know? So think about it. Think about big picture. Think about where you can do something, even if you're jet lagged and tired and overworked and underpaid. And frickin' enjoy it. Bring the light of yourself and your collection wherever you go. Keep you posted on this.